There's been a real revolution in sensor data and sensing tools and platforms lately. And there's a real plethora of different sources of information to map, model, and track and monitor cities. So we were looking at it from the lens of resilience information. It's in flooding, earthquake risk, landslides, violence and business interruption, and all sorts of hazards that cities have to deal with. It's really tracking not just the natural environment, but also the human environment, the behavior of the citizens, the movement of traffic, the patterns that are going on in and around the city, including the watersheds and the coastlines and so on. So we had a series of experts that covered a spectrum of technologies and standards and policies.
A UAV is an unmanned aerial vehicle. We make a 1.8 meter wingspan, 2 kilogram UAV. It's battery powered. You launch it just like a paper airplane, and then it lands on its belly just like a paper airplane would. But cities really need to start looking for UAVs to assist them in disaster management, to be more resilient. The aerial viewpoint and the data that they can provide is invaluable for planning and for prevention and reaction.
So what we've learned is that the technology is moving very quickly. It's accelerating. And so is the software too and the applications. And in a sense, the game has changed. Cities can no longer afford to sit back and begin to sort of plan in linear ways. They need to look ahead and look across within the city itself and begin to think differently about how they engage these innovators, these experimenters that are living within their environment.